Healcovery AI is one of the latest AI tools to hit the market, and if you're thinking about diving into it, you'll want to know exactly what it brings to the table. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Healcovery AI and why it's being talked about as one of the best just released AI software tools. Make sure you stick around because by the end, you'll know if this is the tool you've been waiting for. First off, Healcovery AI is designed to provide personalized recovery plans, mainly focusing on health, wellness, and rehabilitation. It's not just a standard fitness app or a rehab program. This software uses cutting-edge AI to analyze your specific health data and creates a tailored recovery plan just for you. Whether you're recovering from an injury or trying to improve your overall fitness, Healcovery AI helps optimize your recovery process. But here's the kicker. It constantly learns and adapts to your progress, making adjustments to your plan in real time. That means you're not following a static routine that might become outdated. It's always evolving to fit your needs. Another thing that really sets Healcovery AI apart is its seamless integration with wearable devices. If you're already using a smartwatch or any other health monitoring device, Healcovery AI syncs up with it, pulling real-time data about your physical activity, heart rate, sleep patterns, and more. This allows the software to make extremely accurate recommendations based on how your body is performing. If you've ever tried a recovery plan that didn't feel quite right, or if you're constantly guessing about your next steps, this could be a game changer. What about accessibility? Healcovery AI is incredibly easy to use, which is perfect for someone new to AI software. You don't need to be a tech expert to benefit from it. The interface is clean and intuitive, and within minutes of signing up, you'll feel comfortable navigating the platform. You can start tracking your progress and implementing recovery routines without dealing with complicated setups. It's one of the most user-friendly, health-focused AI tools I've encountered. Now, let's talk about its effectiveness. Healcovery AI isn't just a generic app throwing suggestions at you. It uses advanced algorithms to predict the most effective recovery tactics based on a huge pool of medical data. This means it's not just guessing what might work for you, it's basing its recommendations on tried and true methods that are tailored to your unique recovery process. This level of personalized care has the potential to speed up recovery and improve results significantly. A common concern with new AI tools is the privacy of your data, especially when it involves personal health information. Healcovery AI takes your privacy seriously, with advanced encryption and secure data handling protocols. Your health data stays private and is only used to enhance your recovery experience. It's always a good idea to double-check the privacy terms of any new software. But from what I've seen, Healcovery AI appears to be above board in that department. Another crucial point to consider is the cost. A lot of cutting-edge software comes with a hefty price tag, but Healcovery AI offers a free trial. You can try out the software and see for yourself whether it lives up to the hype before committing any funds. I always recommend testing a software before buying, especially with something as personal as your health. You can start with the free trial from the first link in the description below. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Lastly, Healcovery AI is more than just recovery software. It's part of a larger movement toward more AI-driven personal health solutions. As AI continues to evolve, tools like Healcovery AI will likely become even more advanced, making it a wise investment if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in personal health and wellness. Now, if you're looking for more AI tools to boost your productivity or wellness, I've got you covered. After testing thousands of AI software, I've curated a list of my top recommendations in the description below. Check them out for free and see which ones work best for you. To wrap up, Healcovery AI stands out as a powerful tool for anyone looking to speed up their recovery, stay healthier, and maximize their wellness potential. Whether you're an athlete, recovering from an injury, or just looking to improve your overall fitness, this is one to watch. And don't forget to check out the free trial using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.